Welcome back to Whetstone's how-to video series. In this video, I will cover how to install Gargoyle. To get started, go to whetstonetech.com to access our customer support portal. The customer support portal is located at the top right-hand side of our homepage. Sign in using your username and password. Your login credentials were emailed to you at the time of purchase. Once you've logged in, go to My Products at the top of the page. Here you will find your product entitlements. Click View Product next to Gargoyle Investigator MP. In the Downloads tab, select Gargoyle MP and then double-click on gargoylemp.msi. Once you see the Gargoyle Setup Wizard, click Next to get started. Here you will select the directory location on your computer that will hold the Gargoyle program files. You may select the default path or browse your system to install in another location. Then click Next. Click Next to start the installation. When prompted, click OK when the User Account Control dialog box appears. Then click Close to exit. You will find that a new shortcut has been made in your taskbar. The first time Gargoyle is run, you will be prompted for a license file. Gargoyle will not run without this file. To do this, double-click the Gargoyle icon on your desktop or navigate to gargoyle.exe and double-click to open. You will be prompted to grant administrator permission for Gargoyle to run. Click Yes to confirm. Once Gargoyle opens, select Tools at the top left-hand side and then click Generate Registration Code. The registration code will automatically be copied to your clipboard. You will then need to navigate back to the Customer Support portal and select the Generate Key tab. Enter the registration code and click Submit. Within a few minutes, you will receive an email with a license file as an attachment. Please note that the license file will be sent to the email address associated with your Whetstone Customer Support Portal account. Save this license file to a saved location. If you uninstall Gargoyle for any reason, you'll need this license file during the reinstallation process. Once you receive the email, save the license file attachment to your desired location, and then click Activate License. Gargoyle will allow you to browse and select the license file you just saved. Once completed, Gargoyle will be enabled for operation. You are now ready to get started using Gargoyle. If you have any questions, contact us at sales@whetstonetech.com.